Hi there folks, Jedi Abreu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to SiteGround, your SiteGround website, using FTP. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously go to SiteGround, go ahead and log in, and then go to your websites. Then you're going to go to Site Tools, go over to Site, and then FTP Accounts. Now this is going to be the username and password for the account, the FTP account that you're going to log in from. So in this case, I'm just going to leave the username as support, or you could change it to whatever you want. And for the password, I am going to put the password that I want to put on here. Okay, good enough. And then I'm going to click create. I do not want to save that right now. This is just for instructional purposes. Okay, cool. So the account has been created here, and we can take a look at it. If we go over here, you can change the name. You can change the directory that goes to by default, and you can change a couple of other parameters. What we're interested in is this right here, FTP credentials. And this is going to be the information that you're going to put into your FTP client. So for this case, I'm going to be using Cyberduck. So I have Cyberduck opened right here. And I'm going to click Open Connection, and I'm going to just leave it as FTP File Transfer Protocol. The server is going to be the host name. So this is what was kicking my butt a while back, because I was trying to look for where's the server. It's just the host name. I kept getting errors, but for SiteGrounds, the server is the host name. Then you're going to put your username. I'm going to copy and paste that right there, and then we're going to put the password that we had put in ourselves. It says it right there, the one that you set up earlier for this account. And we're going to leave the port to 21. By default, it's 21. And then I'm going to click connect. And boom, look at that. So we're already in our website. So from here, I can basically control every single aspect of my website. If I go into the public HTML folder, I can see all my WordPress stuff. So there's everything right there. So from here, so this is the information that we can give to a developer if they want to access your website through HTTP. And this is how you do it if you're using a Mac and you're using SiteGround as your hosting provider and you're using Cyberduck as your FTP client. So once again, just to wrap everything up, this is the information that you're going to want to give a developer when they ask for FTP credentials. And you can always click create another one. So if I go to, instead of support, I go to, let's say that it's dev1 or dev Tom. Like the person's name is Tom, and you give them, a password, generate one, create. And there you go. So that's this person's credentials. And then you can send that over to them, this information over to them, and then they can just log in, start doing their edits, and that's that. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you found any of this information helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button so that other people can find this video, and hopefully they can log into their website using FTP. Thanks a lot. Take care now.